Today we will be reviewing the procedure of removing and installing the fuser maintenance kit for the HP CM4540 CP4025 CP4525 M651 and M680. And we are going to use the M651 as the demo machine. Process is similar across all these models. Just a quick note on this, although HP calls this a maintenance kit, it really is just a fuser. There's no feed or pickup rollers included, but those rollers are available. Just give us a call and we'll get those for you. So we are going to start by approaching the machine from the right hand side. Open the cover, grab the blue levers, pinch, pull straight back, and reverse the order to reinstall. And shut the door. That's it. Couple of repair notes with this. It has a page yield of about 150,000 pages, according to the OEM, and there is no manual reset for the fuser page count. These printers are built in with a link technology that automatically resets the fuser when it's installed. But to ensure that process works correctly, make sure that the printer is off before you install the fuser, or it will avoid that link technology. And these fusers, of course, are available in a number of different options here at Metrofuser. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, please, if you'd like to see more of these, please like and subscribe. And have a good day. Bye.